Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Sweet by Louise. Greig and Julia Sarda. Please enjoy. Sweet. Ed is a good mood, is a very nice Ed. Ed is a bad mood, is not. And Ed was not in bad mood. No one of those teeny whirlwinds in a teacup that blew over before they had even begun. No, this mood sweep over him is raging storm and stuck. It began as something small, really small, hardly a thing at all. But before Ed knew it, the something had grown, gathered pace, swept him off down a path. Ed's bad mood thought this was a wonderful idea, but the things got in Ed's way did not. Ed knew perfectly well when he had gone far enough, but he could not bring himself to say, okay, that will do. So on the storm a bit further and a bit further still, until suddenly the whole thing became bigger than him. Of course, if Ed had looked up, he would have noticed the beautiful things, the things that always made his heart sing. But he refused to lift his eyes. The ground was a lot more interesting, or so his bad mood told him. Everything seemed against him, but that just made him even more demanding. He dug in his heels and kept going. Just Ed and his bad mood. Is this really worth it? He asked himself. Yes, his bad mood decided, though Ed did wonder a little. Now his bad mood had swept through the whole town. The birds had stopped singing, the flowers had disappeared. This whole thing was affecting everyone and everything. Good, though Ed had bad mood, but really Ed was beginning to wish it had all blown over like a whirlwind in a teacup. Everything grew dark, and Ed was getting tired and hungry. He was finding it harder and harder to keep this up. Suddenly, he could not give up now. Not when he had gone all this trouble. That would be crazy. But something had to change. Then, and then something did change. The new wind swept up. It began as something small, really small, then became bigger. Bigger than Ed.
Our main goal was to create a place for our family to raise the next generation. Our homestead is absolutely not.
Suddenly, everything looked different. The world looked brighter. For a moment, Ed felt really silly. He had really gone to all that effort for nothing. But at least it had cleared the air. It had even blown something his way, something that made him look up. He lifted his mood higher and higher up to the sky.
I saw a house that I could live in.
And suddenly he noticed beauty all around him.
We were both excited on that.
It swept him away. As for his bad mood, it vanished into the thin air.
As somebody that tries to say they want to put forth for their family and be able to, I feel like I don't do that at all. I can honestly say that
Now, when it looked as if Ed might, just might,
the structure that is in
spiral into a bad mood and swept down that path again, he thinks twice. His first thought is, will I? And his second thought is, or not.
couldn't have described it better.
Wow. Looks like the wind took the leaves away after he had them all piled up. The wind helped him. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, everybody, and take care. And thanks for watching.